It's handmade, one thing, and it's over 100 years old, second. And these are all silk. Like I can see it, it's silk, and I can smell. You know what? I'm gonna wash this with with soap. Yeah, it smells very bad. I'll just soak it in water with cold water and then see how it turns out. I'm just staring at it because this was the most expensive piece I have paid in my life. Like, it's so tiny, right? Because I already have 3 more of this antique. And yeah, I will definitely do a video about it and share it with you guys. Okay, let's carry on to the next one. But yeah, the back and the front are the same, just to let you know. But this is gorgeous. Handmade. It's all handmade. Okay, let's carry on. Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I'm back again. Remember, I bought this at an auction, and it's antique. It's over 100 years old. Look, I had to wash this. I just couldn't stand how... Look at the color. It's from this coming out. So I'm looking at it so far. It's so dirty. It's never been washed. I don't know if it was washed or not, but look at the color. And I use this soap. It's very gentle. Meyer, and I love the smell. So I'm not even squeezing or doing anything. I'm just, you know, having it sit in the water, and it is warm. So I'm going to drain this, and I just wanted to show you the color. Look, this is the first wash. So let me just drain this, and even my sink turned so I'm going to, I don't know if I could wash it one more time. I was scared to wash it, but I did it very slowly. And these are all handmade. I believe it's been dyed, and these are silk. And see, the color isn't running. Isn't it fantastic? So I just had to show this to you. Like, I'm not squeezing, I'm not playing around with the fabric, but look at, it's just warm. So I am going to dry this, and I will come back to show you. I might wash it one more time. I don't know. Kind of hesitant, but why not? This time I won't put that much soap. Just a little bit. This is dish soap. It's all natural, and it says biodegradable, and it cuts grease. Right? So, see how it's... Maybe it's the color, but I don't know. We'll see. Because I was scared to really take this to the dry cleaner. You know, you never know, right? So I'm going to do it one more time. Just a little bit. And this is all I'm doing, nothing. You know, just maybe the dirt will come out, right? Yeah. So this is all I'm doing. I'm not scrubbing it, and I will flat dry. I will put this on a towel, and hopefully nothing will happen. I'm just looking at it. So this is the right side of the work. This is the wrong side, as the fabric was hand sewn. So just want to show you. Look at the color. Maybe the dye is coming. That's another thing. But I just wanted to wash it, yeah. Just couldn't stand it. Because the ones that are from my grandmother, and her mother gave it to her. My grandmother passed away when she was 82 years old. Think about it. And she passed away in 2003. So it's almost 20 years. So when you add the 20 years, it's 100 years old, right? And her mother gave it to her. So, and they're not dirty, like they don't have any stain. They're pure, well, not pure white, but it's not like this color. So I don't want to put any stain remover on these, right? Can ruin the fabric. Maybe just a little bit of. I'm really scared. So this is all I'm doing. I'm not scrubbing, but look at the dirt, how it's coming out. Like, I don't want to even brush it. So I will come back to show, see? I will come back to show you how it looks like. I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will come back to show you how it looks like when it's dried. I have dried this. This is the second day it's totally dried, flat dried on this towel that I have. It's a little bit moist, but this piece is dried. So what I did is I put it on here and it dried. This is how you're supposed to be drying your handmade items. Definitely. The color, as you can see, the stains, they're not removed. And the colors are brilliant. Unfortunately, yeah, I couldn't remove the stains, and I was scared to, you know, put some of the stain remover, right? Like I usually use this. This is perfect. And because of the fabric being too old, so old, right? So I was kind of hesitate to put any stain remover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this, and I'm going to put my iron. What I'll do is I'll just put it on top of here. I have a small iron board, and I did see a little bit of stains here, but not that big of a deal, so thank God. So I am going to be putting my small board here, and I will show you how to iron this delicately, and I will put it on my coffee table for you guys to see. This is the wrong side of the work, and this is the right side of the work. So let me just pull this a little bit higher for you guys to see. And I'm going to be pulling my thingy here. I bought it from Amazon. This is it feels like it's nylon, but no, it's not. It definitely secures and protects the thing underneath. This is what I do my steaming with. Okay, I am going to bring my iron, and then I have this, I put fabric softener and water in it, just to give a little bit of a, you know what, I'm going to show you. I use the Downy Wrinkle Guard fabric softener liquid, and this is what it is. So I put that in that bottle, and then a little bit of, where are you? Here you are. A little bit of this distilled water, and then give it a nice shake, and then I just spray it. Just like that. So this is on cotton. I put it under linen and cotton. So it gives a nice steam. I paid for this item that it's old, and I hope it's old. I don't know. And I will show you the difference. See? When you iron it. So I believe yellow color of the dye ran on the towel. But other than that, everything looked nice and smooth. So I'm giving a... See, isn't this fantastic? I don't want the iron to touch this. Okay, so I will continue ironing this, and I will do this part as well for you guys to see. Let's see if I can move the camera a little bit towards here in the middle. Here we go, for you guys to see. Oops. Okay, I'm going to spray up this. Okay. I don't think I will be washing this anymore because I noticed the purple ran a little bit the color. So I'm giving it a big steam here. Ta-da! Well, this is the wrong side of the work, so I will iron it on the right side. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, the stains did not come out, unfortunately. So, too bad I paid that much money for a stained cloth. Oh, oh well. Okay, I'll be right back.